Alright. Do this early today. Even got a little coffee. So hopefully this will be very productive. Okay, so we're getting the wrong answer, and last night I figured out, right? I forgot one of the rules of the points. Yeah, and then 23. So we need to do this. And this is my scoring function, right? So we get the cards, we get the score from what they picked up, we get the cards, and now we need to add the 3 points to whoever has the most cards. I think I put this to do down here, but I think actually we can just do this up here. So if player is computer, so var most cards equals false. Actually, yeah, let's just what do we just do? There's like more to consider here, right? It's like it's also like who played last. Sorry. Okay. I mean, like I'm doing it right here, right? Oh, I already. Okay, I'm being stupid. So like we already have the computer cards and the player cards. So now it's like if computer cards is okay. So first off, actually, let's do if computer cards equals player cards. Then let's do var played. I might not need to do that. Most recent winner, player's turn. How do I? Ah. Okay, this will be a little bit messy. We can clean it up in a minute. If player. Oh, that's annoying. Maybe what we can do. Var player was first equals false. If this, and then we can just. I don't like the way this is going. If player dot was first, then player was first equals true. Okay, so now we can do this, I think, a little bit easier. So like we have the computer and the player. In the event that they're equal, whoever went first wins, gets the 3 points. So if player card, no, if player was first, then player score plus 3 plus equals. Else computer score plus equals 3. I don't love it. In fact, let's just expand it for now so it's easier to track, and then we'll clean it up later. Okay, so that's if they're equal, else if player cards is greater than computer cards, then player score plus equals 3, else computer score plus equals 3. Okay. I don't like that the notifications are there. Still the wrong score, huh? There's 5 cards on the table, and the top one. Play first, yes. You do a 9 of hearts, but it's spades or clubs. I can't remember what that is. Whatever it is. Okay, so now there's 5. Computer plays a heart. So it gets 10, queen, ace, ace, 4. It gets 4. And what did I say? Score is 3. And there's no plus 3. What? Alright, something's just wrong. Clearly. Alright, so let's just look over what I'm doing, I guess. I have 4 variables, keeping track of who's first. Oops. We have players dot for each. And we get the points of the cards that they've won. And this gave 3 points. So I'm guessing that this is not... My guess is... ball. I think this is the problem. I thought there's some things with the Kotlin syntax I clearly still don't understand. Like, I swear I've done stuff like this before, but maybe it was a map function. So right now I'm like returning 1, 1, 0, and never dealing with the accumulate. I think that's what's going on. So like on each iteration, I'm not using the accumulator. I'm just returning one of these numbers. And if the last one is 0, then the result is 0. So let's try now. Now that I've done ACC plus P, it should... Is it still the wrong score? At least we can get more points than 3. Play first, yes. Queen, 4, 3, ace. There's 4 aces the last. We play 1. So there's 5. J, 6. What's the top card? It's heart. And I play 6 of hearts. So it says it's the wrong score output. And if I look at this, what was on the table? There's 2 points on the table. I put down 4, there's still 2 points on the table. Computer plays Jack, 3 points on the table. I play 6, 3 points on the table. Player wins cards. 3 plus 3, 6. And there's 6 cards on the table. I get 6 cards. I actually have no idea what's wrong now. Maybe you don't add. Let's see, maybe I'm not adding. I see. Well, maybe not. No, there's 2 points here. The card they play is 1, which is a Jack, which would bring us to 3 points. And then you get it. And then there's no cards on the table. They only have 3 points. Okay, so the logic I think is correct, but I'm adding it at the wrong time. It's like, I just don't know this game that well. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. It's like error-driven development because I feel like the explanations aren't that good. Like, there should be a line in here that says these points are only added at the end of the game. The cards with the ranks, they get 1 point each, while player gets, if the players have the same number of cards, first gets these points. See, like, this only, the player with the most points wins the game. It doesn't say that this only happens at the end of the game, but the inputs and outputs suggest that, right? By the fact that we can get 3 points but not 6 printed. So this is print score. Maybe we do is final, boolean false, and then we, for now, is final. Let's do this. But then it has to be passed, right? Alright, let's just do this. And then we just need to find, let's do, so this would be true. Matches suit, matches rank, this is false. And then if the deck is empty and there's nothing else to do, then this is true. Dude. Oh my god. Come on. Like, I literally can't get past the first test. I feel like the description needs to be updated. So there's 2 points on the table. I play 6 of diamonds, nothing happens. 5, 7 of diamonds, still nothing. Score 0, card 0. Wait, oh no, they got 2 and they have 5 cards. No cards on the table. Why is that the wrong output? There's 2 points on the table. Dude, it doesn't make any sense. Like, what? Like, I'm just tired of doing projects that have no real description, and I'm just like guessing at what the problem is. And it's like I can't even repeat this because the deck is shuffled. Like, come on, man. Like, there's no way to even control the variables. Like, what is this? I don't know what those 3 bars are, dude. What? Play first, yes. There's 2 points on the table, 4 cards on the table, 5 of whatever we play. 1, same suit. So 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like, I don't understand. How can it be anything besides that? Like, that's crazy. No cards on the table. Computer plays a queen, so there's 1 point. Doesn't match. 3 cards. So we play that, so still 1 point. We play 8, still 1 point. 5, it's the same. They get 1 point, and they get 5 cards. What? Oh my god, is it gonna be like my formatting? This is like so frustrating. Oh my goodness. Computer plays, there's no spaces here. COMPUTER, it's not a typo. Score and cards, capitalize. Cards is plural, colon. Computer wins, plural. Cards, plural. Computer plays. The outputs have been fine so far. 5 cards on the table, comma. 1 cards, okay, on the table, and the top card is, it's a comma, yeah. This is why you have to provide feedback. It's like, there's just nothing. Like, I have no idea what could possibly be wrong here. I know the scoring is correct. Am I supposed to do this? Like, what is this? I don't understand. No, you don't do that every time. I have no idea what could be the problem right now. It's just so ridiculous, dude. Yeah. Yeah, dude, it's like I I don't know how to debug this, man. It's like I just want to move on. Like I don't know what to do. I don't know what the correct score is supposed to be here, and it doesn't diff. Like I'm gonna stop. How can I? Like there goes the whole session, you know? Like I am going to be looking for a string diff this whole time. And I don't even know, like, needle in a haystack. Just absolute needle in a haystack. Let's see. Is it this? Okay, so look. So initial cards on the table. Initial cards on the table. Where's... So initial cards on... Yes, initial cards on the table. Okay, 4 cards on the table. Choose a card to play. 1 through 6. 1. Player wins cards. Player wins cards. So now... So that's there, and then no cards on the table comes after. So the scoreboard comes as soon as it after play. Yeah. Okay. It's the same character. I just copied and pasted it. I wonder. Okay, so if I'm thinking through this, shuffle, right? Like, it's not creating its own deck and running the same algorithms. It's running a scoring function based off of my outputs and finding a difference, right? So, what I should be able to do, please let me see this. ChatGPT. So, if I can produce the same deck every single time, then the tests should produce the same output, and I can start to figure out if I'm wrong or if it's wrong. Not it's wrong, but like what the difference here is. In Kotlin, can I shuffle with a seed? I'm calling shuffled. Okay, so the seed should be const seed equals 10, right? Oh. Let's just do 10, and then where did shuffled go? Random seed. Okay, so now every time I run this, I should actually see the same 4 cards at the top. So 8, 6, 2, 8. Let's run it again real quick. 8, 6, 2, 8. Okay. Same ones every time. That should make this way easier. So we can know for sure now there's 0 points here. We play an ace. player wins cards. They should get one card here, right? Or 1 point. Haven't I? Whatever. Okay. I'm pretty sure the score should be 1, and we can figure this out fast now. Players first. So something to think about here, right? That's the setup. We award the table cards to player, but I think we also need winning card. Plus dot plus. I think I can do that. And now, where is this? Oh. God dang it. If winning card is not equal null. Okay. All right, so that's there. Okay, so now we should get 1, right? Because we've added that. Oh! Okay, so that was absolutely clutch making this reproducible. I don't know why it took me days to figure that out, but okay. So what did it say here? Wrong output for the number of cards or the top card. That's 52 cards. Maybe this is wrong. Computer plays that. I think my ending is wrong. I think I need this at the end. Maybe this needs to go here. Try. Probably gonna break something else because I think most recent winners updated here maybe. Uh, I, I, I don't know, dude. It's so intricate. Oh my god. Like I keep having to add all these little hacks. It's like not good. Because I don't know what it was. I think here I can do. Wait, what happened? Yeah, we're going backwards. Where's exit? Oh, did I not put that in? No, I did. Wow. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. What? 142. What line is it? How can I get an error? Play card 89. So, how are we? There's only one spot we play cards, right? Oh, it is because maybe this now needs to move too. I think here maybe? There's no player yet. Try again. Is this still throwing an error? No, now it's the wrong score output. Um, $40, $52. There we go. Okay. Progress, we now have something to check next time. So we got it to work for one of them, but there seems to be an edge case here that I'm not handling that wasn't present in the seed that I was using. Okay, so basically, as a general rule, if we're dealing with anything random, maybe we start by building off of non-random random. So basically using a seed. So the same scenario happens over and over. Make that work and then expand to others. I don't know. Very frustrating though, not gonna lie. Anyway, decent session.